Camila and welcome back to my channel.
And my channel.
So guys, as you can see, we have a very special guest with us today. This is my husband, Martin.
Hello.
Yay! Yay! If you guys watch my vlogs, which if you don't, I will link some of them down below. If you do not watch my vlogs, you would not have seen him yet, but he is usually a very special guest
of your life.
He's a supporting character in my, in my life.
Try to make it.
I casted him.
Yeah, an occasional appearance in our life every once in a while.
Exactly, it's always a fan favorite. So today's video, we actually went to ComiCon Los Angeles yesterday and we had such a good time.
Awesome.
It was a blast,
so cool.
And there was so much going on, so much to look at, and I feel like we both got headaches because we were just like so much sensory overload. It was like out of control. We saw so many different things. We had so many fun little experiences, but one of the really cool things that ComiCon does every year is they have these booths, and at these booths they have these things called mystery boxes, and essentially what it is just a box with a bunch of random stuff. You have no idea what's in it, and they're usually like, they range between like $40 to $50, and they are supposed to be worth about $100 for every one of them. You just like have no idea what's inside of them. So we decided to pick up a Harry Potter mystery box yesterday, and we wanted to do an unboxing here on the channel because we love Harry Potter. I figured a lot of you guys love Harry Potter, and I have never seen anyone do an unboxing of a mystery box, although I've never looked for one, so that also could be why I've never seen one.
Probably out there, but
probably out there, but you know, God forbid I do any research for projects. I am wearing my Gryffindor robe today. Well, our Gryffindor robe. We share it. We share custody. We have joint custodial responsibility for it. And today was my day.
Yeah.
I have it on Sundays.
Yeah, 3 days a week each, and then we alternate.
Yeah, we alternate
Saturdays.
weekends. All right, guys, so we're gonna open this box, see what's going on inside of it. And if you'd like to see that, then keep watching. If not, then I don't know. You just wait for my next video.
Yeah.
All right, let's get into it. So yes, this is the box. It's very exciting.
It's a Gryffindor house theme.
Yeah, they had different houses, of course. You could do Gryffindor, Slytherin, Ravenclaw, and Hufflepuff. And of course, we decided to do Gryffindor because we actually both have taken the test that's on the Pottermore website, and we both got Gryffindor. So we are Gryffindor house, okay? Because that's what the site said. And I'm not going to...
It's canon now.
It's canon now, and it is what it is, you guys. Our dog is here.
Very Slytherin of her.
Can you please give us like one moment? She's like, no, absolutely not.
10 points from Slytherin.
All right, guys, so we're gonna open this bad boy. I feel like it's just like, it's been waiting. Like we've had this sitting on our counter since yesterday, and it's just been like sitting there, and I'm just like,
It's like staring at us.
you know when like something's like so like exciting, you're just like nervous to even open it. All right, and that's gonna be it for my video. We're gonna open it, you guys.
Do it.
You open it, I'm scared. What if like snakes popped out, like fake ones, like those ones that come in the cans? Yeah.
We're just like, we've been had. All right, here we go.
Ooh, what is it?
We've got a Gryffindor decal.
Is it a
Looks like
decal
you
or
can
a
go on there.
tattoo?
Oh, I think it's a decal though. I think that's a sticker that goes on the car.
No, this is a tattoo. This is definitely a tattoo. We got a Gryffindor. He thinks it's a decal. I think it's a tattoo. Comment down below.
For the next video.
Stick around for the next to see if I have this on my face. Do you have faith in your decision that this is a decal enough for me to try and put it on your face?
Oh, get like a nice face tattoo?
Yeah. Are you like convinced that it's a decal? Because if it's a decal, it won't stick on your face. So how are you like 100%? How sure are you?
I'm pretty sure.
All right, you guys let me know down below because I will put this on his face. I think this is a tattoo. He thinks it's a decal. I'm right most of the time.
That's a car tattoo.
It's not a car
It is, it goes on a
tattoo.
car.
All right, what's next?
Next, we have a scarf. Looks like a
Oh, it's a scarf. Oh my God, how cute. I actually was gonna think about buying one of these yesterday.
Yeah.
Didn't need to, spent 50 bucks and got one for free. Oh my God, so cute.
There you go. Nice.
Is this it?
That is it. If only we'd opened this box when we had gone, you could have worn the Gryffindor.
Are you kidding me? It came with a tie. You guys, yesterday at ComiCon, I was wearing this tie that's his. Makes me look like I'm a United Airline flight attendant. And it's by Oscar de la Renta. I didn't know you were so bad and bougie with your brands. I was like, we were driving down there and I'm like, this is Oscar de la Renta. Why are you letting me wear this to like
a Comic-Con?
Comic-Con where I'm gonna be like sweating and like, okay, so we got a super cool little tie. You do like the beauty blogger hold up behind it.
There you go, yeah.
So it focuses. Yeah. That's so cool though, that's like legit. I like this too. This will keep me nice and warm.
That's right. Out here in Southern California.
Out here in SoCal. That is so cool. I stand. Next.
Got another possible decal.
Another tattoo. This I think might be
relics,
the 3 relics. Oh my god, it's so embarrassing that that's what you think it's called. I can't remember what it's called. I'm gonna put this on your other cheek.
Yeah.
You're gonna go into work like,
yeah.
Yeah. These are called the Deathly Hollows, and if he wasn't such a fake stan, he would know that.
Oh, BS!
But
Like the Invisibility Cloak, the Resurrection Stone, and the Elder Wand.
Oh. Let me see your phone, because you just Googled that. All right, what's next?
Next we have a House Crest patch.
Okay, now this is a decal. Oh, that's so cute. Look at this.
There you go.
It's showing it.
Yeah.
That is so cute. We could put this on like a backpack.
Sure can.
We could put it on the dog.
That's right. Sew it right on her.
Love it. Next.
Next we have a necklace.
No.
Oh,
Oh my god, so cute.
So cool.
Is a little Deathly Hollows necklace. So cute, gold, my fave. What do you have in there? You think you're excited to show
Something,
me?
yeah, of course, because these are your favorite things ever. To have your butterbeer in this nice
mug!
or acrylic mug.
Oh, wait, that's so cute. Look how cute. It's like a little mug to drink our butterbeer out of. Holly Madison is shaking right now. Not really, she's fine. She's doing just fine. Is this it?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's the last thing. I'm so sad. Is it 2 tickets to go to the Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry?
But we talked about this.
What?
That we could possibly hang this on our wall.
Oh no! Oh
flag.
no, it's the banner. I was afraid we were gonna get this because like, it doesn't really go with my aesthetic. But like, what am I gonna do? Not put it up?
Right.
Like, it's gotta go in the living room. It's gotta go above our couch.
We're gonna have to get a flagpole for outside the apartment.
That's so cute. I'm gonna open it real quick.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so cute! Why don't we have a bigger place? This is so, wow, it's like really big.
Yeah.
You know what? I thought it was gonna be one of those ones that like hangs down. Like the,
oh, okay, yeah. The
like Game of Thrones style, how they have them, but it's like an actual like flag.
Yeah.
Okay, I can't put this up in America. Look how cute! I'm screaming. Do you like this?
Yes.
What are we gonna do with this? I like it. All right.
All of that came out of this little box. That's pretty awesome.
All right, so we're gonna do a very quick recap. We got a scarf. We got a tie, which I'm gonna be wearing all the time, if you know me. Oh, are you gonna wear this to work?
All the time.
That was embarrassing. I wonder if you could like wear this to work and see if anyone noticed it as like being Gryffindor. Do you think you could? And if someone noticed, do you think they'd say something, or they'd think that you were like that weirdo that just like wore a tie? Not that you're a weirdo if you wear this tie, but you don't really wear ties at work.
No.
So it would be weird for you to be wearing a tie and then for them to like look closer and see it's the
It'd be
Gryffindor.
it'd be funny. I'd just be in a polo and a tie.
Polo, just like a regular polo. So we got the tie, we got the, still up for debate whether these are tattoos. Also, like this would be a really big tattoo. So that's a good point.
Yeah.
We got the necklace,
Love it.
which is so cute. And it's so funny because I actually like wanted one of these. This is like kind of big though, but whatever, you can't win them all. And then the mug, which I cannot wait to get into.
All right.
And the flag of our forefathers. Hey! Hey!
Oh.
What different energy.
Sensual. Hey.
That was a really different energy level. I was putting out a totally different vibe. Hey. All right, that was not good. Hey! I hate that. All right, guys, so that is gonna be it for us today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm so sorry. We had a lot of fun filming this, actually. All right, guys, if you liked unboxings like this or anything in this realm, the magical realm,
I'm out.
if you like this video, be sure to give it a like down below, comment and let me know what you guys think, if these are tattoos or if they are car decals. I know that this is gonna be
They could be stickers too. We don't.
This is gonna be a hotly debated topic. There's voting and then there's whether or not these are car decals. So, yes. Make sure that you subscribe down below and hit that notification bell to let you know every time that I upload. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Immediately.
Ow.
Oh, someone's struggling. I want to get your head in the shot.
No, I'm thinking we'll just film it like
Hi, it's Martin in the neck. Is it from my phone or yours?
Probably, dude. This is a PG channel and nobody watches.
You're gonna have to put
yeah.
sound or something.
I'm stressing out.
Being a wizard's tough.
It's tough out here. The smartest witch in my class. All right, come in closer.
It's not funny.
Closer. Closer.
Let's look on the Watch us unbox this rotisserie chicken.
It's an HP video sponsored by Universal. I hope you enjoy this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye. What was that?
just blur me out.